Hi, this is Roy from Olivon Investments at olivon.com. I'm here another day with our small account builder challenge, the $200,000 challenge using 4 times leverage. And you can see, some of the I'm posting videos day to day how everything goes. And okay, so today this might have been the best day of the month. Maybe there might have been one other one, and we made $1,224, which that's pretty. Honestly, I'm surprised we didn't have things haven't been going better this month. But anyway, did get a good day in here. I mean, considering that we had $8,000 that we were trading with, but see, we're not really here for very long. So I only traded for like 5 minutes. Opposed to some people start in the pre-market, they trade all day. So anyways. Okay, so we started. Okay, so yesterday we were down around like 150. Then this stock in the pre-market hit a pre-market high of like 525, and then let's see here. We got in here at our first trade. Okay, first trade is we got in at 458. Okay, this is at 941. Got it at 450. This can be a little bit aggravating. Let me pull this down here. Okay, so we got in right in here at 458 and got out at 459. So that was sort of like a break-even trade. Probably didn't execute the way I wanted it to. I'm not seeing the exact reason here. Okay, and then the next trade, same candle and I got in at 454 and got out at 460, and then at the next candle I got in at 457. Is that yeah? So I bought. Okay, that's good. I bought the pullback here, and then of course I got out of it way too soon. I only sold for 3 cents. I got it at 460. Uh, I got I got back in it at 501. Got out at 505. I got back in at 499, and I lost 3 cents in getting out at 496. So yeah, somehow or other I managed to screw up this candle. So I mean, sometimes this quick strategy doesn't always work. Okay, so then the next minute at 43, I got in at 531. I got out at 540, and I got back in at 562. Got out at 569. Let's see, moving on. Okay, so 40. Okay, so I bought at 554. Yes, I bought the pullback here, and I got out at 561. Yeah, so I got right out of that, and then so then I got back in. Let's see. Okay, so I got 45. I got in at 583, and I got out at 592. And then, last but not least, I got in at 595, and I got out at 620. So, I know it's yeah, I know you're probably thinking, well, shoot, it's that's more than a 20% move there. Why'd you only make $1,224? Well, yeah, I mean, sometimes it's just that way. But anyway, it's still a good percentage. I don't know. I just find my way a little bit more secure. It's go ahead and whenever there's once you see some profits, to go ahead and lock it in. I mean, half the time, you hold and then you lose what's on the table. So I had 90% accuracy. So 9 out of 10 times. Was there a break-even trade in there anywhere? Let me go back and look. Make sure my math's right on that. Yeah. That really is 90% accuracy. Yes, it did really good today in that way. The average per average I made is 6.8 cents a share, which that's pretty good. Yeah. So yep. That's DPW, and this is the only stock I traded on the 10th, I believe. Yeah. Yeah. I don't think I took any trades the following day. Yeah. So that's shows you what type of profits or potential for day trade. And I'm sure you guys know, like, this is like people set their money in a mutual fund all year long, and sometimes it doesn't even make as much money as we made today. So, for those of you that are interested in investing, remember, we do have stock here at Alvon where it's just it's an investment company, so everybody just pulls their money together, and when the stock goes up, you make we all split, everybody splits the profits. So I mean, we do this for you, just to make sure everybody's aware, because I know 90%. Actually, 90% of people lose money anyway. So a lot of you will find that you might want to at least take us into consideration. At least just add us to your portfolio while you go about your education, which we were very happy to do for you. I'm sure I tell you guys all the time, just go to our education portal. We're I'm constantly uploading new videos. I plan on doing more recaps. I'd like to make some recaps where I can sit here and talk while I'm taking the trades, while I'm making the video, rather than I guess more like live trading rather than a recap. Yeah, I'm sure you guys might be interested in that. But yeah, so this is Roy with Allvine Investments, and thank you for checking me out.